the Zumwalt-Class destroyer, a technological marvel, or so it seemed. Envisioned as the future of the US Navy, it promised stealth, firepower, and unmatched dominance at sea. But the reality is far different. The Zumwalt program has become synonymous with cost overruns, technical failures, and strategic miscalculations. Instead of a symbol of American naval power, the Zumwalt stands as a stark warning about the dangers of ambition exceeding reality. From the outset, the Zumwalt was plagued by issues. Its advanced gun system, designed to hurl projectiles over vast distances, proved prohibitively expensive to operate. Each round cost nearly $1 million, making it impractical for sustained use. The ship's stealth capabilities, a cornerstone of its design, fell short of expectations. Its unique tumble-home hull, while visually striking, created stability problems in rough seas. The Zumwalt was meant to be a technological leap forward, but its systems were often unreliable and difficult to maintain. Software glitches were rampant. The complex integrated power system designed to provide ample energy for future weapons experienced frequent failures. These problems, combined with ballooning costs, led to the Navy drastically scaling back its initial order from over 30 ships to a mere 3. The Zumwalt program is a textbook example of the sunk cost fallacy. This is the tendency to continue investing in a failing endeavor based on the amount of resources already committed, rather than making a rational assessment of future prospects. The Navy, having poured billions into the Zumwalt, seemed determined to salvage the program regardless of its mounting problems. The 3 completed Zumwalts cost a staggering $24 billion, making them the most expensive destroyers ever built. Yet their actual combat effectiveness remains questionable. Critics argue that the money spent on the Zumwalt could have been better used elsewhere, such as upgrading existing warships or investing in more promising technologies. Section 4. A Band-Aid on a broken bone. In a desperate attempt to salvage some value from the troubled program, the Navy has proposed refitting the Zumwalts with hypersonic missiles. These weapons, capable of traveling at many times the speed of sound, are seen as the next generation of warfare. However, critics argue that this is merely a band-aid solution, an attempt to justify the program's exorbitant cost. Integrating hypersonic missiles onto the Zumwalt will require extensive modifications and further investment. There is no guarantee that the ship's systems, already prone to problems, will be able to handle the demands of these advanced weapons. Moreover, it is unclear if the Zumwalt, with its limited capacity and inherent design flaws, is the ideal platform for launching hypersonic strikes. Section 5. A lesson in modern warfare. The Zumwalt debacle offers a sobering lesson for the future of naval warfare. In an era of rapidly evolving technologies and increasingly contested seas, clinging to outdated concepts can have disastrous consequences. The Zumwalt's problems highlight the dangers of pursuing technological complexity at the expense of practicality, reliability, and affordability. The Navy must learn from its mistakes. Instead of pouring more money into trying to salvage a failed program, it should prioritize the development of adaptable, cost-effective solutions that address the challenges of modern warfare. The Zumwalt, a monument to ambition gone awry, should serve as a constant reminder of the importance of careful planning, realistic expectations, and responsible stewardship of taxpayer dollars.